This video is about the MTN Data Zone bundle. Now, we all know what is happening already. Now, we can have access to the Data Zone bundle. But for the Data Zone bundle, it has helped a lot of us. Like, it helped us save money in terms of browsing and all that. So, as it goes off like that, it worries us. But a lot of people are sharing their personal, opinion with regards to the whole thing. So me personally, I thought maybe MTN has issue with HCG. That's why they are taking off the data just to settle some debts or all that. So that was my personal, that was what I was thinking. But they finally came out with a statement, and I think it's wise to share this with you guys. In the statement, they said they suspend the Data Zone bundle for now. And the reason why they did this is they said back in 2020, the regulators of the network providers, those who have been regulating the Airtel, Tigo, MTN, Vodafone, and so on, they told MTN not to underprice their services. That is, that MTN is big. So sometimes if they give some offers that, all of us go to, and the other networks will not get market. So it's like they've given them that warning that you don't have to, price your data bundle under, or they've given them a limit at which they should price up to. So they don't have to go below it. So it's like the Data Zone bundle has crossed that. So they are trying to find ways and means to, bring it up at the range at which the regulators want. So that's what is happening. But let's all read it together and see what the whole thing is. So guys, this is what they put out there. They said Scancom PLC MTN Ghana has announced a suspension of its MTN Data Zone bundle effective April 5th, 2023. So Scancom Ghana is one part of the MTN. MTN is big and every operation is different. So Scancom is the one that is giving this announcement. So they said, we apologize to our cherished customers for limiting our communication on this matter to service activation channels only. This media release is to provide more information on the issue. So meaning they've given this information out there, but just to some specific people. They did not put it out there for the whole public. So that's what it basically means. So let's go to the main reason why they've suspended the Data Zone bundle. But they said the suspension of the Innovation Data Zone bundle is due to a review of the bundle offer in line with the significant market power, which is SMP directive applied to MTN Ghana in June 2020. So guys, my reading might not sound good to you, but I'll explain. So, not to be lowest priced on any offer in the industry. So I'm not going to read the whole of this. Actually, my reading is bad. But what they are basically saying is, they are actually, as I said first, they are suspending this because they have an organization that have been regulating the network providers, which is they said SMP. So they've given them that they shouldn't underprice their offers. So they've realized that the Data Zone bundle have been underpriced, which is bringing more people to MTN. So meaning other network providers will not get more customers. So that's the main reason why they are reviewing this. So if you read on, they said we are currently engaging and collaborating with the regulator as we seek alignment on a revised Data Zone bundle to be reinstated as soon as possible. We will notify you in due course of further development. So guys, I'm not going to continue this again. So meaning they'll bring back the Data Zone bundle, but the prices are not going to be the same. So this one is very clear. They'll bring it back, but the prices are not going to be the same. So guys, this is just the update, and I think it's wise to share this with you. As I've been doing videos about finance, this is one way that we have been saving money. So guys, that's it. If you are someone who wants to buy a data bundle, but you don't want to buy it as the normal price where you use 3 Ghana cedis to get 400 megabytes, but you rather want to use 5 Ghana cedis to get 5 gigabytes. I did a video, and this is the video. I believe this video can be very helpful to you. So check it out. You can also check it in the description below. Give this video a like, and if you are new here, subscribe so that you can get more helpful videos from me. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video.